Hey WordPress League, I'm going to drop back again with another episode. And this episode I will show how you can save plenty of times while editing repetitive description contents for your YouTube video. Actually, we often use several links and templated text like social links, your website necessary URLs, contact information. Or if you are a affiliate marketer, then you have affiliate links or your recommended product links. Plenty of links we have to add. Also, if you are using third-party email music from the third-party app stores, and you have to add some disclaimers of the music author. On that point, I have created a video on how you can get a royalty-free music for YouTube content. I will share the link also in my description below. Okay, jump back. If you want to add this type of content, if you have to add this type of content on regular basis in your description, so you can minimize the task work by creating a default template for your YouTube contents. In this tutorial, I will show how you can create a default content for your YouTube tutorials. While uploading the content, you will get all the details, all the necessary information from your content will be uploaded automatically with your the default template features for your video descriptions. So let's jump on the video, the tutorial. To get these features, you will be needed a Chrome extension, which is TubeBuddy. Here is the TubeBuddy. This is the most popular YouTuber Chrome handy tools. You can use these. I'm using Chrome, so I can use the. I have shared the name of Chrome YouTube Chrome extension, but luckily you can have these features on available on other platform like Edge and other features, other popular web browsers. Actually, you will get that extension. So in this you will be needed this TubeBuddy extension, and if you have that extension already installed on your web store or web tool, your Chrome your browser, then you will get an extra features from where in the settings section. Let's check where you will get the link where you can find how you can add the default template features for your YouTube content. Let's jump on this section. First of all, you have to go to your studio section. Here is my channel's studio background, and in the settings tab from the left sidebar, the settings tab, you will get these features: upload defaults. In the free version, you will get only one profile for the default upload templates. You can create one profile. There is nothing extra to that case. So you can add, obviously this is come from the TubeBuddy. This is my only one template I can add here. So you can add the basic info like template titles. If you have the same type of titles, like you are creating a how-to video, most of the times you're creating how-to video types, or you have a product review for Amazon's, or you have another same type of content heading. So you can just say it, how to make WordPress sites. I'm just for testing purpose, I'm giving just a name. For the video description, you can create a templated video description. So if you want to add this video, then I will like to recommend just jump on your YouTube contents. From your YouTube studio, go to the YouTube content and just click the edit section. So this is my common line I am using for it several times. So I'm using the basic thing. So it will comes with the heading section. So it will depends on which type of, you have to edit some things, as my previous video which I have uploaded here on my YouTube channel, which was elemental page builders, related to the elemental page builder. So this is that video description, so you have to update that as it's template. Later on I have some social links, or if I want to share my affiliate link, so I'm just copying here, Command C or Control C, and just add some space and paste it here. So all the information I have added just in this way. Okay, the visibility, you can always set it public or private. You can add some predefined hashtag or tags for you for this video. So most of the cases I upload videos on WordPress, so I want to, sorry, typo, WordPress, oh my bad, this is very bad, I misspelled WordPress tutorials. Some common thing for my YouTube channel contents, WP beginner, something like that. If you want to add, just you can add all the, but I am not recommended to add tags here, because tags are very much important. So add the tags as you have the only chance to add untemplated content. So if you have the tag can be added on later on while you upload it. I will share in next step of this video. So then just hit the advanced settings. Let's check all the things. Okay, fine. Let's check the advanced settings. YouTube standard license, all the category. If you want to add category, I have several categories here. If you want to add your own category, then you can predefine category, then you can do it by hit how to and style and news and politics. If you're in the music, it's up to you, you can set, but currently I'm not interested to add a category here. And or you can say the how to and style, it could be, but science and technology and science and technology, it can be it. Okay, the language, if you have the options, so you can add the language here for transcription. So I'm English. Caption certifications I have not added, and title of the description language is English. Oh, sorry, you have to scroll down, find the English title and description language in English. If you want to allow comments or not, you have the options. You can disable the comments, you can hold permanently in inappropriate comments. There are several options, so I have allowing the option. Users can view ratings for the videos. So these are the things. So all good, set, and hit the save button. Setting set. Let's check, does it change or not? Yes, all the things are available here. Okay, let's upload content here. Upload the video. Recently I have prepared the content for my recordings, my recent video, which will be updated soon. See, this is how this tool can help you a bit. I have added these description, and also the predefined things will already added here. Also I don't have selected the playlist, that option is unavailable, but the predefined tags are here, so you can remove it or you can add more tags from these sections. And the video language, the recording date and location, that option is not available. And the caption, I have setting none. And YouTube standard license, which I have added. So and the category was technology, and you can change it if you change your mind how to and style, and then you can say it how to and style. So it's up to you. Allow comments, which I will add. This is the things. This is how you can manage all the things from predefined text. It will save you plenty of time, because these links you have to save it on a draft, and you have to copy the things, and these are things. This is the best way I found, and so please, if you were interested to use, and I will definitely share. This is the whole process guideline created by the TubeBuddy, so I will definitely share the link in my description as well. If you want to buy the premium, then you can choose the premium option. So that's all of it. This is the best way you can add predefined or default templated text for your YouTube content, and to save your time. And also sometimes we get error if you just as for example, I have just click on this video, don't play that. Then if you want to just copy the link, what happened here, it will I just copy the link for testing purpose. So here is the, where is the channel? Okay, I'm just adding it here. See what happened, the link is not available here. So in that case, you will get a 404. Also there is a chance to lose your customer, lose your affiliate referrals. So so many things you can miss, and that's why I am requesting you to use these features to save your time. Or if you don't want to use that, if you want to do it manually, then you can do it. It's up to you, but I found this helpful. So my dear friend, this is all about for today's video. If you find this tutorial useful, then give a thumbs up, and all the useful links will be available in the description, so that you can use the link, or you can get, you don't have to bother for the searching on the web. So share your opinion, do comments, do like, and if you find my channel useful, then subscribe me to inspire more to creating the more content for you. Thank you. Stay connected. I'm Govinda Tarabdar, signing off for now. See you in the next video. Tata.